What's up everybody, Rob here with Adventure Bound Off-Road, and welcome back to another video. We are back from Trail Hero Expedition and we are ready to get the YouTube channel back on track. So in this video we're going to get Ron's Jeep wrapped up. All the shop stuff is going to be complete in this video and we're going to get him out on the trails on the next one, so stay tuned. The last time that we were on this project we were installing the Reid knuckles. So I was disassembling the wheel end assembly and found that the ball joints had some wear in them. So I called the customer, asked him if he wanted me to go ahead and rebuild them while I was in here. He said go ahead. So we got the rebuild kits on order. They came in the other day and now we're going to rebuild the ball joints. So when I originally did this build back in 2021, we built the front axle, re-geared it, and did the truss, C-gussets, all the Artec parts on the axle. And when we did that, we also installed the Dynatrac ball joints. So that's what we're going to be rebuilding today. All right, so we're going to start off by disassembling the ball joints. We're going to start on the lower. Our first step is to remove these two set screws. Then we're going to move on to the seal, pop out the snap ring, and then the internals will come out of the cup. All right, so now we have the internal assembly out of the cup, and now we have to go and press this bearing off of the stud and then basically rebuild this assembly and then reassemble that into the cup. All right, so we're going to get our new spherical bearing out of our rebuild kit and press it onto our stud, put our snap ring on there, and then we can go back to the Jeep and reassemble everything. All right, so now I got all the old grease out of the housing. I'm just going to take some new grease, smear it around in there, put some grease on the bearing, grab a hammer, tap that up in there. Grab our new snap ring out of our kit. Make sure the snap ring is seated. Now we're ready to put our seal on. So we're going to take some brake clean on a rag and clean this surface. Because we're going to RTV our seal into place. We're going to take some RTV, put it around this edge. The instructions don't necessarily say to do this, but I have found this is the best way to do it. Go around, make sure that's pressed in all the way. Get your paper towel, make sure that the RTV is all off the stud. Now we're going to wipe the grease off the top. And reinstall the 2 set screws. Now we're going to move on to rebuilding the upper. The uppers and lower on the JL are exactly the same. And then after the ball joints are rebuilt, we're going to go back to installing our new knuckles. Now we have both ball joints rebuilt, and now we're ready to install our Reid knuckle. All right, so now we're going to torque the ball joint nuts. Onto the axle shaft. All right, so now we're ready to install the RCV. Set the cup in there. I like to take a little bit of grease, put on the sealing surface. Everything's installed. Before I install a hub bearing, I like to coat the mating surface with anti-seize, and that prevents the hub from getting stuck the next time that you need to disassemble. Now we're ready to bolt on the hub. The hub bolts are all torqued down, and now we're going to go back and cotter pin the ball joint studs and then also add torque stripe to the hub bolts. Now for torque stripe. With the torque stripe, little tip, I've seen a lot of people and they just kind of do a smear on this. You really want a distinct line so that way when this bolt does decide to back out, you can see a clear break in that paint. All right, now we're ready to get everything else assembled on the outer, and then we're going to be moving to the other side. Just knocked out the driver's side. Now we're moving on to the passenger side. It's exactly the same. We're going to be removing the aluminum knuckle, rebuilding the ball joints, and then putting everything back together with the new parts. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we are out till next time.